Thank you for purchasing the TP-Link HS210 Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch 3-Way Kit. In this video, I will take you through the steps to install the HS210. This smart switch works with all standard 3-way light switches, where 2 switches control the same light or series of lights. This configuration is often found in hallways, stairways, or rooms with multiple entry points. If you're familiar with basic electrical wiring installation, this will only take a few minutes. If you're not, do not attempt installation yourself. Instead, contact a licensed electrician for assistance. Ready? Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need a secured 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network. For the installation, you'll need a screwdriver, wire stripper, and a non-contact voltage detector. Download the Casa app on your Android or iOS device. Open the Casa app and tap the plus symbol to add a new device. Choose 2-location kit. Next, detach the HS210 faceplates from the light switches. You will reattach them in the final step. Hold your smartphone up to your old switch. You should have a Wi-Fi signal of at least 2 bars. If signal is weak, you may need to find another location closer to your router or purchase a TP-Link range extender. When ready, click Start. Turn off the power to the light switches with your circuit breaker. It's usually in your garage, but could also be located in a hallway or closet. Make sure the power is off by flipping the switches to make sure the lights don't turn on. Remove the faceplate by unscrewing the 2 screws holding it in place. Unscrew the screws pictured at right or detach the switch from the wall. Gently pull the switch out of the wall box. Using the non-contact voltage detector, make sure no power is going to the switch. Using the Casa app, indicate which color wires are attached to the old switch. Look for the neutral wire, which is normally white but could be another color. If no neutral wire is present, the HS210 cannot be installed. The neutral wire is typically found within the wall box with the wire nut on top of it. If no neutral wire is present, it's still possible that there may be one located in other 3-way light switches in your home. Label the neutral wire with the supplied label. Carefully examine your old switch. One screw will be a different color, usually black. This is the common wire. Label the common wire with the line/load label. The 2 remaining screws should be the same color. Apply the traveler label to these wires. The bare copper or green wire is your earth ground wire. Apply the ground label to this wire. If the ground wire isn't present, the HS210 can still be installed. Before you disconnect the wires, snap a picture of both switches' wiring just in case you need to reference them later. Repeat this process for both switches. Disconnect all of the wires from both switches, making sure not to remove any of the labels. Use the wire labels to help you connect the wires to the connect screws. Give each wire a tug to make sure it is securely connected to the switch. Push all the wires back into the wall box and try to push them to the side to make room for the HS210. Set the HS210 in place. Line up the screws with the wall box and screw it in. Attach the face of the plate by pressing it onto the front of the HS210. If you choose to use your own faceplates, make sure not to use metallic ones as they can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Turn the power back on using your circuit breaker. Now you can use your Casa to configure the HS210 on your Android or iOS device. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your HS210.
Make your home a smart home with Z-Wave Plus. Connect and control lights and other household devices from anywhere with your phone or tablet and give yourself the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is secure regardless of where you are. Z-Wave Plus products create a fully customizable home automation system. Simply connect through your Z-Wave compatible gateway for full control of your lights, entertainment consoles, coffee makers, and other small appliances when you want, from where you want. Choose from innovative smart switches, dimmers, and sensors, allowing you to effortlessly manage your home's lighting. Create scenes that automate your lights with the press of a button, and install add-on switches for 3-way switch capability or for separate ceiling fan control. Install the in-wall smart outlet for permanent control over your lights and other electronics. Or for a less permanent solution, plug the smart switch or dimmer into any regular outlet for easy wireless control. For outdoor automation of your lights, pool pumps, and other appliances, Install the 40-amp high-powered outdoor switch, or install the plug-in wireless outdoor switch for an easier outdoor solution. Z-Wave Plus allows you to maintain control over your home from anywhere using a smart device and compatible gateway. Live life smart with Z-Wave Plus home automation products.
To Philips Hue, the world's most innovative lighting system designed around you. Hue is easy to set up. Just plug in, download the app and go. Use the app to tailor your lighting experience. Control all the lights in your home, whether you're at home or not. This will give you peace of mind, so you can enjoy your time away. And when you come back, they'll even welcome you home. Set your imagination free. Turn your gaming into an experience. And let movies make it feel like you're part of the action. Or just wind down and relax. And when you need to wake up, Hue will help you as gently as possible. It's about creating the best lighting experience for every space in your home. Hue truly allows you to turn on living. Innovation and you. Philips.